So how do you download Google Slides as PDFs on the iPad? Let's explain that. And now, if you're new to Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe because, I'm going to show you how it works and there are plenty of tutorials which are going to help you out. But anyways, you need to go to the Slides application on your iPad. So make sure you get the latest version and everything. And once you're inside, you can click on the presentation, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and locate the share and export option. Now, obviously, you're going to notice that we can save it as PowerPoint, like the PPTX file, or share it over the internet, but there seemingly isn't any PDF section. But this is not the case because you can click on print and it's going to prepare it for the print. Obviously, we're not going to actually print it, but since now we are inside of this format, we can tap on the share icon in here again. And as you can see already in here, we have the PDF document from our presentation. So we are already saving PDF. All you have to do is decide the location. So probably you want to save it to the Files app where you specifically decide which folder you want to put it in. But you now have a dedicated PDF from your Google Slides presentation. And it all works naturally, built in inside of the app. It just takes one extra step, which is kind of hidden away, and that's why I make these tutorials. So if you like what you see, stay tuned for more quick guides and explanations like this one. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later.